So we're gonna start off here. I have these 2 sheets of decoupage paper. I'm gonna bring my drawer up here. Going to remove our knobs. So once we removed our knobs, we're gonna move right into the decoupage paper. Just gonna mark up where I'm gonna make my cut. Bring our drawer back here. What I'm using here is just some decoupage. So I did 1 thin layer there, and then I'm gonna place my paper down in this right spot. Another layer of decoupage over top of our paper. I'm using a scraper here that I have, and you just wanna smooth out any air bubbles. The next thing we're gonna do is I have this other pattern, and we're gonna put it on either side of the deers. So same thing, these are gonna go on either side. So we're just gonna put down our layer of decoupage here again. So bring up my paper here, line it up, and then use the decoupage to smooth out that wrinkle. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side here. I have a little bit of antiquing wax, and I get some on my cloth. Rub it on the surface where I want to apply it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a different area of the cloth, and then I'm going to just rub it in. I'm going to take a piece of sandpaper, and you can add as many layers of wax as you want. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put on our knobs. I don't like the stark whiteness of them, so I'm actually going to add just a little bit of antiquing wax to these knobs as well. So I'm just gonna pull my drawer down here, and I'm gonna put my knobs back on. So I have these old table leg feet. What I've done is I've just taken a drill, and I have just pre-drilled 4 holes in the corners so that I could slide the bolt of the leg through. And then we're gonna flip our drawer over. Then to secure them, you just use either some bolts, or I have the actual pieces that came with these feet. If your drawer is unfinished, you are gonna wanna paint the sides. But then after that's done, all you have to do is style it the way you want. So I like to put pillows in mine, toss them in this nice little box like this. So you can put pillows, throws, whatever you like. Feel free to really get creative with this project and make it your own. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Until next time, bye.